the dough, cover it, just like that, and take a large mold and flip it. Well, that's heavy. Okay, beautiful. We're gonna remove carefully. Look at this, beautiful. We're just gonna cut quickly around here, and I'm going to cover it with another dough and make sure to stack them together. And with a little cookie cutter, you're just gonna mark some hole like that we're going to remove after the cooking. Perfect. And we're gonna cook our pie at 350. So here I have some apple slice that I cook in the microwave for about 3 minutes with just water and sugar. A little bit of sugar in the bottom of the mold, just like that, to create a little caramel that's gonna cook with my apples. So you're gonna stack them like this in your little mold to create a little rose. Once you have your apple roses, let's cover a little bit more with sugar. Perfect. And let's cook them. My apple pie is now ready. It's beautiful. I'm going to plug my little roses inside the little hole. With some caramel, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit, really gently. Beautiful. Let's cut this pie now and discover our beautiful apple inside.